Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance, and I'm here to talk to you about restaurant insurance and the programs associated with restaurant insurance. Here at Elite Business Insurance, we are a full-service independent agency. We specialize in the restaurant industry, and what we do is we take your information, we shop it around through all of our hundreds and thousands of markets around the whole United States, the nation of the United States, and we try to find you the best coverages for the best price. Now, depending on what kind of carrier you're written through, they have different ways of rating. Some rate off of gross sales, other rate off of seat capacity. It all depends on what sort of restaurant you are. Payroll is not so much a factor if you're dealing with workers' comp. Of course, the payroll would be a factor because that's how the policy would be rated. But so restaurant, you're going to need general liability, which would cover your basic exposure. That would cover your food. If anyone gets injured in your work area, if anyone tries to sue you for false advertisement or somehow slandering their business name, that's what general liability would cover you for. Liquor liability, if you're serving alcohol, it's definitely going to be a mandatory coverage, especially if you have a liquor license. If somebody happens to get drunk in your restaurant and they drive home and they get into an accident, you can be held responsible. So you have to carry a liquor liability insurance policy. If you own the restaurant, if you own the actual building, you're going to need commercial property. If you own the contents in the restaurant, you would need business personal property, the food, in case something happens with your refrigerated system. There's equipment breakdown coverage, which would cover you for food spoilage in case your power goes out and all your food goes bad. If you're doing deliveries, there's a separate cover for hired and non-owned auto in case your employees are driving their vehicles. God forbid they got into an accident while they were performing a delivery for your restaurant, for your business. You can be held responsible. So you need to make sure you're covering yourselves for all the angles. Here at Elite Business Insurance, because we specialize in the restaurant industry, we will make sure that that happens. We offer 24/7 customer service. We take pride in offering the best customer service out there. And like I said, we take your information, we shop you around, and we find you the absolute best coverage for the absolute best price. We will sit down with you. We will explain thoroughly a real great explanation of how your policy is covering you, what you're covered for, what additional options you would have depending on price. And you could kind of be the judge to determine what's going to be your best option through our agency. So give us a call, 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We could handle all of your insurance needs. Elite Business Insurance, we are elite.